Are you a young couple looking to make your relationship stronger and keep it happy for a long time? Well, you're in luck. Today, we've got some really helpful advice that will totally change how you love each other. We've gathered 11 powerful tips that will really make a big difference in your relationship journey. So, if you're ready to make your relationship better, stick around as we share these super important pieces of advice. Let's jump right in and find out what it takes to make your love story truly amazing. Number 11, continue growing together. Encouraging each other to grow and change is like giving your relationship the food it needs to get stronger. It's about helping each other become better, cheering for each other when we do well, and being there when things get hard. When we both agree to do this, we're not just growing by ourselves, we're growing together as a team. Growing together is really important in any relationship. It's like making sure our connection stays strong and healthy by always trying new things and learning together. It's like being each other's biggest fans, supporting each other to become even better than we were before. So, how do we do it? Well, it's about encouraging each other to try new things and learn new stuff. Maybe we could pick up a hobby together or explore something we've never tried before. It's all about being open to new experiences and getting better together. And remember, it's not just about doing things together, but also about growing as individuals. Number 10, stay honest and trustworthy. In every relationship, trust is like the glue that keeps everything together. It's what makes strong and lasting connections possible. Think of trust as the main building block of a big structure. Without it, everything falls apart. That's why it's super important to always be honest and reliable. Being honest means more than just telling the truth. It's about being open and real in everything we do. It's about sharing our thoughts, feelings, and experiences, even when it's hard. When we do this, we create a safe space where both partners feel respected and valued. Being transparent is also really important. It means being open about what we do, why we do it, and the decisions we make. When we talk openly and honestly, it helps build trust and understanding between us. Number 9, show appreciation regularly. In any relationship, it's really important to show appreciation regularly. It's like giving your bond with your partner a little boost. When you say thank you for the things they do, big or small, it makes them feel really good. Appreciation isn't just about saying thank you. It's about showing your partner that you notice and really like the things they do to make your relationship special. Whether it's making you breakfast or sending a sweet message, those little things deserve a big thank you. When you show appreciation regularly, you're making your connection with your partner even stronger. You're telling them that you see and really like all the things they do to make you happy. And when both partners feel appreciated, it makes the bond between them even stronger. Number 8, keep personal lives balanced. Keeping a balance between your personal life and your relationship is very important. Spending time together is great, but it's also important to have your own interests and friends. This balance helps make your relationship healthy and well-rounded. Having your own hobbies and activities lets you grow as a person, which is important for your happiness. When each partner has their own interests, it brings new experiences and ideas into the relationship. It's good to spend time apart doing things you enjoy, like reading a book, playing a sport, or hanging out with friends. Keeping friendships outside the relationship is also important. Friends give support and companionship that make your life richer. They offer different viewpoints and can be a great source of advice and fun. Number 7, manage conflicts constructively. Managing conflicts in a good way is very important in any relationship. Disagreements happen to everyone, but how you deal with them matters a lot. The goal is to handle conflicts with understanding, avoid blaming, and find solutions together. When a conflict happens, try to see things from your partner's point of view. Listen carefully and understand their feelings. This helps create a safe space where both of you can share your thoughts without feeling judged. Avoid blaming each other. Blaming can make your partner feel defensive and hurt. Instead of saying, "You always do this," try saying, "I feel upset when this happens." This way, you focus on your own feelings, which can lead to a better conversation. Number 6, support each other's goals and dreams. Supporting each other's goals and dreams is key to a strong relationship. Be each other's biggest cheerleaders. When you help your partner reach their goals, you both grow and your bond gets stronger. Understand what your partner wants to achieve. Listen to them and show real interest. Ask questions and encourage them. When they know you care, they feel valued. Support them in practical ways. Help them with their projects. Give them time to work on their goals and encourage them with kind words. Celebrate their successes, no matter how small, and support them when things don't go as planned. By doing these things, you help each other grow and make your relationship stronger. So, always support your partner's dreams and be their biggest fan. Number 5, learn to compromise. Learning to compromise is essential in any relationship. Relationships are about give and take. When both partners learn to compromise, they find solutions that work for both of them, ensuring a harmonious partnership. Understand that compromise means meeting in the middle. It's not about one person always giving in or the other always getting their way. It's about both partners making adjustments and finding common ground. Start by listening to each other's needs and wants. Pay attention to what is important to your partner and share what is important to you. Open and honest communication is key to finding a balance that works for both of you. Be willing to make small sacrifices. Sometimes you might need to give up something minor to make your partner happy, and other times they will do the same for you. This mutual willingness to adjust helps build trust and understanding. Number 4, keep the romance alive. Keeping the romance alive is crucial for a happy relationship. Small gestures of love can make a big difference. Surprise each other with thoughtful acts. Celebrate anniversaries and never stop courting each other. Focus on small gestures. These don't have to be grand or expensive. Simple acts like leaving a sweet note, making their favorite meal, or giving a spontaneous compliment can show your love and appreciation. These little things add up and keep the connection strong. Surprise each other. Unexpected acts of kindness and love can reignite the spark in your relationship. It could be planning a surprise date night, bringing home their favorite treat, or even just sending a loving text during the day. These surprises show that you are thinking about them and care about their happiness. Number 3, respect each other's boundaries. Having personal space and boundaries is really important in a relationship. It helps keep things balanced and respectful. Understanding and respecting each other's limits can make your connection stronger. It's important to realize that everyone needs different amounts of alone time. Some people need more time to themselves to feel good, while others might need less. Talk to your partner about what they need and share what you need too. This way, you both understand each other better. It's crucial to respect those boundaries. If your partner wants some time alone, give it to them without feeling hurt. And if there are things they don't want to talk about or do, respect that too. It's all about making sure both of you feel comfortable and safe. Number 2, prioritize quality time together. Spending quality time together is super important. It's all about making sure you have special moments with each other. Whether it's going out for a date, taking a weekend trip, or just chilling at home, it's all about being together and enjoying each other's company. Make sure you set aside time for each other. With busy schedules, it can be easy to forget, but making time to be together is really important. Whether it's scheduling a date night or planning a fun activity, prioritize spending time with your partner. Think about what you both enjoy doing together. It could be trying out a new restaurant, going for a hike, or simply watching a movie at home. The key is to find activities that you both love and that help you connect with each other. Number 1, communication is key. Talking to each other is really important in a relationship. It's like the glue that keeps everything together. Being honest and open is the key to a strong and happy relationship. You should talk about how you feel and really listen to what your partner has to say. Make sure you understand each other. It's important to share your thoughts and feelings with your partner. Tell them what's on your mind and listen when they do the same. Pay attention to what they say and try to understand where they're coming from. Also, make sure you both want the same things. Talk about your future, your goals, and what you believe in. Make sure you're both going in the same direction and agree on the important stuff. By talking openly and honestly, you build trust and make your relationship stronger. So always make time to talk and really listen to each other. It's the key to a happy relationship. Building a strong, loving relationship takes effort and commitment. But with these 11 tips, you're well on your way to making your relationship better and stronger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable relationship advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your partner. Subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips and advice. See you in the next video.